Hi, welcome in this video. For today I have created a guide step by step where you can find all the information that you need if you want to start a business. Because probably that you are watching, you are an entrepreneur or you are thinking to create your own business, or maybe you already have your own business. So I have a complete checklist that everything you should do before to starting your product and go to the marketplace. So make sure to watch the video until the end, leave a like, and if you are not already, subscribe to the channel, because as you see, we are growing. We are helping more people and we are helping each others. But we don't lose any time and we go straight with the first point. All the points that I want to share with you today is based on my own experience and on my story. So maybe for your city and your products can be a little bit different, but the overall mindset and concept inside this video will be pretty much similar. The first thing is to decide what should be your main product, your main area, what you want to sell, what's your service about. And I was questioning this question myself a lot of time, but then I came up to a video about Tai Lopez, about social media marketing agency, how it works. And since I am already involved in the computer scientist and website development and other stuff, I decided to go full in with the social media marketing agency and website development. Once I have decided, okay, now I need to get proof, social proof that these things really works. And because of my situation, I was seeing that already other people and other services similar like this are expanding now, and there is a lot of demand of this type of service. So I know 100% that will be demand in the marketplace, because it's really bad. I see that maybe some people are really passionate maybe for soccer, they maybe do a soccer store, but the product that they have in the soccer store are just like them. Maybe them like the product but not the marketplace, and there is no demand for that product. So first, before to start to go into the marketplace, you have to make sure that your product is on demand. And how you can do it? You can simply create a Facebook ads where you tell people about your idea, and maybe you put just an email and tell them I will launch, or we will launch a determinate project in this local area. Insert your email to get more information about it. And if you see that some people add the emails, you know that there is some demand. But if maybe I don't know, 10,000 people have seen that ad and nobody added the email and nobody wanted to know more about that service, you probably should change your product or your offer. So once you know exactly what the marketplace want, and if they want your product, another thing is to ask yourself, okay, what price I should sell it? What price are here in your local area? What price are needed to me to survive in business? There is enough margins between my products, and do some calculation about how much money do you spend to go to the client, to get the client, to sell the product, and everything. So at the end, you will know the margin, and you have a very big picture and idea on maybe how much sales do you need to make every year to survive, and then to become financial independent and get to your goals. So once you know that there is demand of your product, you know that your product works, and you have a high margin to earn enough money in that business model, okay, you are 100% sure that this business model will be good in the marketplace. So now it come in place yourself. From this point to the end, everything depends on you. And for example, I really liked and really helped me a lot doing a business plan. Once I had all the information down, I just written down like a checklist, all the stuff that I should do in the right order to just go to the marketplace. Before because before to go to the marketplace you have to do some setups that I will show you in this video. And as I said before, it can maybe be different for your country, but the principles are pretty much the same. So first of all, I started to create an idea about my brand. What will be my logo, what will be my name, maybe the colors. And then I started to see at the structure, for example, my website, my social media pages, what type of business is, and then also the why people should shows me why I am different from other services like this, or why I am different from other stuff. And then you should write everything that differentiates you from the competition down, so you know exactly if someone tells you maybe but they have less price on that product, and you can say them, yes, they have less product, but I have a better service for this and that reason. And once you have created pretty much all your business plan for the branding and all the stuff, now you will see that you have a lot of work to do. Maybe it's to create the website, maybe it's print some business cards and other stuff similar like this. You can go online and maybe search about things that you need exactly, because for example I created just business cards and my website, just my website with just one, and then I went straight to the marketplace without creating a lot of maybe advertising and other stuff. Depends on your budget and what's your idea and your goal. Then once you have created everything and everything is pretty much ready and you have the brand, now you should ask yourself, okay, I know pretty much everything about this business, this argument. If you know a lot of things about that business, you can go straight and register your name. I don't know exactly how it works from your nationality, but here in Switzerland we go to a public office and we register the own name of the company with all the information, and then we are able the same day to start working. And I have done this. But if you don't know exactly all the information and maybe you miss a lot of stuff about your product and your service, this is the moment where you should go hard and spend all your day about learning and increasing the amount of information in your mind. Because doing this, you will know exactly what to do when a client comes with you. Maybe if a client tells that he needs a particular service, you will know how to handle that service, how to manage it, and other stuff. So depends on your level of knowledge of the argument, but this is what you should do. Then once you have pretty much created and registered your name company and you have everything in place, then the real hard game starts. And now it's all about visibility and attention. You should get a lot of attention, know more people, a ton of people, and then very important, you should start doing marketing, because at the beginning I was spending pretty much zero money on marketing. I was just spending some time maybe speaking to other people, go door to door in different businesses, but I was not good to sell it or to sell something, and I just went to the shop and tell them, okay, I have seen that you don't have a really good website, I can improve it, this is my business card, and they simply tell, okay, thanks, we will let you know, but nobody never called me from one of these things that I have done. So I stopped doing it. Then it comes into place with email. Pretty much in other videos I explain my strategy how to get clients through emails, but I pretty much send out a ton of email and really had just one answer. And from January of this year I started some Google ads, and now I am completely recreating my website, the style, the words, everything. And I think that the next month I will go very hard with our advertising, because I see that it's the main way that I can get clients. It's pretty much effortless because it takes me about 30 minutes to create a Google campaign, and then he has a lot of return. And since now I am making some money, it's time to reinvest that money to grow your business. So make sure that your structure is everything good in the place. And if you are interested to know all the details or the minimum stuff about maybe creating the logo for free, or how to get the clients when you start, or how to brand your social media, how to create your website for maybe $8 a month for the hosting, just let me know in the comment, and I can create a very long guide, maybe for 1 hour, step by step, where I take you and I just bring you from scratch, from the beginning, to know exactly all the steps that you should do to create your great company. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.